Hey folks, so I want to take about 90 seconds just to discuss ecosystems, and specifically in the learning tech world. What does this mean? Because people talk about learning ecosystems all the time, but I'm not too sure that they really understand what that word means and what type of ecosystem could work in the organization that they're in today. So let's do a very quick whistle stop tour, and of course there'll be additional thoughts on this at another time. So look, on your screen here is 3 different versions of an ecosystem, and this actually charters the evolution of ecosystems as well, depending upon your organization size. So let's take a drop down and break down what these actually mean. So the first one that they've got here on my left, which is just the singular black circle, is one platform. So basically this is not really even an ecosystem, it's a very basic way of tech working in an organization. So for L&D as an example, it's one platform with one door, so one point of entry. Everything goes into one room and all learning is in a centralized location. So that system is not connected to other systems, it doesn't share data, there is no access anywhere. So this is quite common to be seen in startups and scale-ups. And our second one is a central system. So the central system is effectively one door to go to one location, but expands out into several rooms. And these rooms are fundamentally other platforms, other sites of content, and you use that one kind of black circle here to be a front door to disconnected systems. And what I mean by disconnected systems are systems that don't have APIs, they can't integrate, they can't share data. But to a end user's perspective, nothing changes. You can make it look like, hey, okay, there's one point of entry, but it allows me to go to many areas, and this is where I need to go. So this is what I like to kind of call the sweet spot, where most kind of small to mid-sized organizations work. Our last one here is what I call pure ecosystem. So by pure ecosystem, this is all about interoperability, which basically means APIs, everything connecting together, everything working seamlessly. So that gives us multiple doors, so multiple points of access across the organization with access to multiple rooms, so multiple rooms being multiple content, multiple points of entry, fundamentally allowing people to access what they want, how they want. So no matter where they are across your technology estate, they can access anything they need from an L&D point of view. This is not about having fragmented sets of tools, don't communicate with each other, don't allow data to be shared, don't allow users to have a seamless journey. This is all about giving a pure experience. So very, very briefly, those are 3 things that you can consider when you're talking about ecosystems in an L&D perspective, and looking at which one would work best for you in your organization, because not all ecosystems are built equally, nor do they work for every situation. So keep that in mind next time you're having some of these conversations, and do share your thoughts with me on this in the comments below.